Yesterday, the gold has created again indecision candle. It is just continuation of the previous day and previous 3 days, where the price could not manage to make a bullish or bearish breakout. Yesterday, the price formed a bullish candle, but we can see the wick on the lower side is larger than the wick on the upper side, which means there was selling pressure pushing the price down. But eventually, the demand zone, where the buyers are waiting, that is below 4188.33 and above that, has prevented the price from falling down, and it has pushed the price up. But we can see the day could not close above the close price of this candle, which means still fight between the buyers and the sellers. And we can see how the day has started yesterday after the prices formed several of bearish and bullish candles. The prices has dropped down. We can see it to 4188.33 and could not manage to close this area below. This means the price was trying to move further down. The bearish sentiment was pushing the price down, but unsuccessful, and we can see the price has successfully been bouncing from this area of support, and it has tried to move higher. But we can see this candle and also this candle shows again the fight between the buyers and sellers. We have wick on the upper side, we have wick on the lower side, jumping up and down, and a small candle body. After that, we can see we have two bullish pin bars right in between this area of resistance, this area of support. This means also the fight between the buyers and the sellers. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the price was trying to move higher, then return it back down, forming now currently bullish pin bar, and it is currently heading up. For now, 4211.48 is the resistance level that the price needs to make a bullish breakout, like in this example yesterday, to move to the higher price levels. But for now, we need to wait and see how the price behaves. For the lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame, it's not very clear information here because the price is going up and down during the day. So it is the best to stay out of the 1 hour time frame and focus on the 4 hour time frame. That means we need to see the price going above this area of resistance, this supply zone here. When the price reaches this area of supply zone, if it makes a bullish breakout, it will be a continuation of the bullish momentum. The daily time frame currently shows me the demand zone here, where the buyers are waiting, pushing the price up, trying to focus and push the price to the higher price levels. So I'm still open to see the price reaching higher price levels, but for that I am still waiting for the bullish breakout above this area of resistance. If that happens, this will open the space for the price to reach the daily resistance 4289.23. But also, if the bears push the price below this area of support on the 4 hour time frame, close the candle, this will also mean a bearish sentiment is still strong, pushing the price down, where the next support is 4145.86 as a target. Also remember that today is Friday, which means in the afternoon there could be also volatility on the market, which could push the price in any of the directions. So the technical analysis could be something that is not followed on market. So it is the best to out, and especially I like to move out from the trades before the weekend starts. So just to avoid having trades open over the weekend, because the gap can open on a Monday, could be in the opposite direction against me, which means opening and closing the trades with higher loss than I was expected. That's all for today. Also check the chat room that is currently available for the trades, where I'm sharing also details about the markets on any symbols inside the chat room. It's free, so you can join. Check the link below in the comments. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.